is the maiden test. Train's all connected up. The wheels have been raised off the floor by wooden blocks. Tender's all connected up. We've now got to fill it up with water, which is what we're going to do now. Okay, we filled it up with water. Water goes in that hole there, and we're now pumping water into the boiler. If it leaks out of there, that little outlet, you turn this one and shut it off. That's the boiler drain valve. We're pumping water in until that little dot has got water behind it, halfway, half full. We've filled it up with water. It's now on the halfway mark using the pump. Next stage is to put some charcoal with a bit of firelighter dripped into the charcoal, so you don't use too much, into the firebox. So we've got our charcoal and we've got our firelighter, and we're going to use that and just drop a bit in to line the firebox. Incidentally, I used diving silicone from the diving shop just to help put those rubber pipes on. It makes it slide on the brass easier. So we're just going to get the firebox ready now. Just putting charcoal that's soaked in firelighter into the firebox. I can do it by hand at the moment because it's cold. But we've got some tools to do this in a minute. Just dropping it in. And after we put charcoal in, we can think about putting some coal in on top of it once the fire has been lit. Right, I'm now going to light a piece of charcoal with the firelighter on it, like that, and I'm going to put it in to the engine. Now that's going to light. Now that has lit. Now we've got to draw steam out the front. It's a steam blower. Put that in the top. Connect it up to a 12-volt battery. One. Now that's pulling the steam through the train and out here. Okay, so now the fire is burning beautifully. The steam's being drawn through on the blower. So I'm now going to add some coal. Just shoveling coal on it now. That just goes in there like that. Keeping an eye on the water. You can close the door.
What are you looking at? Oh.
I opened up the left-hand valve to draw the smoke through. But I've got a leak here that is desperate to be tightened up. $40 per square inch and rising. There's the fire going. Fire needs to be higher. Finish the fire.
Nice.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes! We are go!
Been smothered in crack.
Look at that!
Turn it down a bit, Matt. Shut it down a little bit.
And off we go. A couple of teething problems. A massive smoke plume up to the sky. But it's working. Dad, turn the blower off. Left hand one.